Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you all my first Rocksbox. I kind of love the name because, of course, my name's Roxy and my grandma calls me Rocky, and it's called Rocksbox. So how cute is that? And it's like R's everywhere on the packaging. I just think it's so cute. And I really have a love for jewelry. So I'm super excited to see my Rocksbox stylist picked out for me. I answered a few questions so they know my style of jewelry and what I like. Mostly blingy stuff and always gold or rose gold, just so y'all know. Yeah, she picked out a few things that she thought I would like. So I'm excited to see what she came up with, so let's see. So this is the packaging, which is like, let me get my lighting together. Which is like totally cute. Of course it says Rocksbox on it. And the little bow, it's just like really cute and simple, simplistic. I love it. And I love how the Rocksbox jewelry is kind of like in a rose gold. I don't know. I'm just a stickler for packaging. So yeah, let's see what they have for us this month. Oh yeah, so it's only $21 a month. I dropped something. It's only $21 a month, which I think is amazing because I can send this back as many times as I want within that month for the same $21. I am not obligated to keep anything, but if I decide to keep something, Rocksbox has a great discount on certain pieces. So as soon as they send them to you, you'll get an email and you'll see how much the pieces are if you actually want to keep them, which I love. So it says time to shine. If I want the ring, there's a ring in here. It's gonna be $51. If there's a necklace in here, it's gonna be $75 if I decide to keep it. And the bracelet, if I decide to keep that, will be $70. Altogether, I would pay $160 if I decided to keep all three. That would give me like a discounted $10 off. Oh yeah, and a credit. I get a lot of credits on this. Okay. This is still going with the R theme in the packaging. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. So everything is in its own little baggie. So this is probably the necklace because I take it it's the bigger bag. I was wrong. It's the bracelet. You guys, look how beautiful this is. Okay, off bat, don't know if Rocksbox is getting this back. Let's put it on. Look at that. I could wear it alone. I could wear it with other rose gold bracelets that I have. This is so cute. Okay, I thought I wanted the ring. I don't know if I'm just gonna keep everything at this point. This bracelet's really cute. Let's see what's next. So this must be the necklace. So freaking cute. Look at the detail. So both of these pieces are from the Kendra Scott Rose Gold Druzy collection. So they like match. So this is the necklace and the bracelet together. How cute is that? I love the attention to detail that Kendra Scott jewelry pays. Look at that. The little clasp is like totally cute. The little clasp is really cute. So this is so dainty and girly. I love it. It'll go with so many cute tops. They are making it really hard to make a decision. So this must be the packaging, the little baggie for the ring, which I know I'm gonna love. So I need you guys to just like ignore my nails. It's time for a manicure. Believe me, I'll be getting one tomorrow. But for today, we're gonna just ignore these little ratchet nails. Anywho, the ring is freaking cute. It all matches. I love. It's gonna be hard to let any of these pieces go. I'm just being honest. This is ridiculous. Like they really captured the type of jewelry that I like. Little bling, but still classy, you know? Very subtle pieces. I love it. All my girls who love jewelry like me, you guys gotta try this at least one time. Like, this is amazingness. Right to my door. Amazingness. Try it at least once. You will not regret it. Yeah, I was one of those people that I had like several different subscription boxes I belonged to at one time or another, and I've kind of dialed it back, especially since my palate has changed when it comes to food and wine. I used to have like 4 different wine clubs. No, I just got one because to me they have the best. Shout out to Cooper's Hawk. That's my favorite wine ever. I'll drink others, but that's the one that I will belong to the club forever and ever. But yeah, back to Rocksbox. This is really, really a great subscription box. You guys should go on ahead and subscribe to it. I would. Definitely, I did. So yeah, I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. Stay shiny, sparkly, and bright, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Roxy Hearts signing off. Peace.